Today we shall talk about forecasting in Excel. Excel 2016 has a feature for forecasting, and probably this simple feature is not available in earlier versions of 2016. तो इसमें हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास एक डेटा है, पोटैटो प्राइसेस हैं पर केजी फ्रॉम 2008 July to 2015. So if we select this data and then if we go to data, you have a feature here, you have a tool here, forecast sheet. Just click on this forecast sheet, you will have this nice graph, you will have this data, and you have this red one, forecast values, and this thin line are these thin lines are your confidence the intervals for this forecast. This confidence interval will keep as error in forecasting will keep on increasing with increase in horizons. So you can observe that these lines are now diverging more and more. Similarly, you can have many options here, and you can use these options. You can fix many things here, like how many time periods you want to forecast, what is your selection range. Timeline range is my A column, data range is my B column, and is it monthly data or is it quarterly data? You can set it manually, and you are using average value, and do you want additional forecast and all this. If you go to this, then you create it, you will have a new sheet of table where you have forecast original values, and in this table you have your forecast values for the time period 2015 onward and their confidence values. You can fix this plot by deleting these lines. If you want to declutter this plot, you can fix these axes, and for this you can watch my video on how to declutter line charts. I hope this will help you in doing forecasting in Excel use 2016. Take care.